Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Curly Fitness Life. So guys, I am finally here on the West Coast. I have my own spot, my own place, and I know many of you have watched my video for my tour that I did on the West Coast about 3 months ago. And so now you guys will get to see which apartment it is that I selected and decided to move into. So let's get into the tour so you guys can see if you picked the right one that I picked. So this is officially my new residence, you guys. I am in love with the palm tree entrance right here. So if you guys watched my West Coast apartment tour video, this property is just like apartment number 1 that I toured. So that particular apartment, all of the units were booked. So I ended up booking here at this complex, which is their sister property across town. Okay guys, so look at this view. I mean, do I really even need to say anything else? This view is breathtaking, and this pool area is definitely what sold me on making this my new place to live. I come here literally every single day. I love to get in the pool, lay in the beds, get in the hot tub. I come here at night on my lunch break before I go to work. This pool area is definitely was the deciding factor for me to move into this complex. So some of you guys might recognize this hallway from my West Coast apartment tour. So let's go in and see if you guys went with the same one that I went with. So first thing is my bathroom, which I love. I absolutely love the white subway tile, and I cannot wait to take a bath in here. The shower head looks amazing. It looks like it's going to give me a really great massage. And my favorite part of the bathroom is this LED light mirror. I cannot wait to do some filming in here. This mirror is so huge. Yes. And then I have one of these little cabinets that I've always wanted on the side, like just to store your toothpaste and face wash and stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to being able to use this. Nice and spacious bathroom. Then here is the hallway leading to my bedroom. And here is my closet area with shelving. And both doors have a full-size mirror, which I love. Now I don't have to buy one. So that is on both doors. And then this was leading to the bathroom. So there's a door that I can close off there for when I have guests, keep my privacy. And here is my bedroom and my balcony area. And I love the lighting in here, how you can switch it on and basically change how much light you want to come off. And then different levels for the fan as well here in the bedroom. Cannot wait to get my furniture delivered today. This is my dining room, work from home area. I am still looking for a table that I can put over here. This space right here, I haven't decided exactly what I am doing with it. So if you guys have any suggestions, please drop that below. Definitely a lot of storage space, but not exactly sure like what I want to put here on the counter yet. I love my flooring here. This will be my living area. I have not found a couch yet. So if anyone can list any suggestions on where to get a good couch, that would be very helpful as well. I love my shades. Everything about it I am in love with. So this is my kitchen area. I cannot wait to stock my wine here for happy hours and for dinner. Love the stainless steel appliances. So I just moved in today, so I don't have anything here in the fridge yet, but I just love how clean it looks right now. Definitely plan to keep it that way. This is my stove, which is gas, and usually apartments don't let you have gas, so I'm very happy that this one is a gas one. So much storage space here, and I love the color scheme and the gray subway tile, and I love that there are like speckles here on the countertops. Brand new microwave, double sinks, which is always a plus. I have never used a dishwasher before, so I'm excited for that also. Currently in the process of moving in. And again, more storage space. I don't even have this many pots and pans, but it's definitely good to have the storage space. I'm obsessed that I have an island. I have always wanted an island as well. Still looking for bar stools though. So if you guys know any places for bar stools, please let me know about that also. And these lights are one of my favorite parts of the kitchen. I just love how they drop down. I will probably put in different color light bulbs just to, you know, make it a little bit more me. So yes, this is my kitchen area that I love. Yeah. And let me show you guys what is my favorite part, really, of the whole house. This is my laundry room. This was probably the selling point for me, to be able to have a brand new washer and dryer and actually room to come in here and walk around and do my laundry and whatnot. So very excited. And then shelving put in so I can do my towels. Definitely want to put just some cute things on the wall here to make it a little more homey. This is my cooling system. It is very hot here. It is 90 degrees outside. So I am glad that I have central air. So that is the end of my empty apartment tour. I am really excited to be here. I cannot wait to decorate and just show you guys what I do with the place, my color schemes and all of that, and just make it my own, make it homey. So I am very much looking forward to that. So as I mentioned earlier, if you guys have any suggestions for me on what I can do with the particular spaces that I asked about, please drop them below. I definitely appreciate it. But I thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on my next video. All right, bye guys.